Hello, welcome student of Standard 7 English Medium. Now, in this time we are taking activity number 5 to 10. Okay? So let's start. Open your notebook, take your ball pen, open your textbook too, okay? In activity 5, work individually and write the answer in your notebook. First, we are not of a kind of this at school. Why do you think Swami said the above sentence? स्वामी ने ऐसा कहा था ना कि भाई ये तो हमको स्कूल में नहीं चला है, तो उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा होगा? दूसरा, why did father think Swami was an idiot? कि उसके पिताजी ऐसा क्या सोच में पड़ गए कि भाई वो स्वामी ये तो थोड़ा बुद्धू लगता है, थोड़ा सा बुद्धू लगता है, ऐसा क्यों उनको लगा? थर्ड, हाउ डिड फादर मेक स्वामी गिव द आंसर? उसके पिताजी ने स्वामी को कैसे मजबूर किया आंसर देने के लिए? डू यू थिंक ही हेल्प स्वामी इन अराइविंग एट करेक्ट आंसर? क्या आप सोच सकते हो कि भाई उसके पापा ने उसको पटरी पे लेके आए, करेक्ट आंसर देने के लिए उसको हेल्प किया? फोर्थ, वाई डिड स्वामी ब्रस्ट इनटू ईयर्स इन द एंड? अंत में स्वामी की आंखों में आंसू कैसे आ गए, क्यों आए? 5 नंबर, इट वॉज प्लेन सेलिंग आफ्टर दैट. इसमें 2 दिए. व्हाट वॉज प्लेन सेलिंग? क्या प्लेन सेलिंग थे? प्लेन सेलिंग वो तो इजी था, ऐसा समझते हैं ना ये. और बी में आफ्टर व्हाट वॉज इट प्लेन सेलिंग? इसका हमें क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखना है. वी वांट टू राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन आंसर. ऑलरेडी आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन आंसर and you write down in homework 5 times, okay? So activity number 5 question answer. We are not taught this kind of thing at school. Why do you think Swami said about sentence? Swaminathan said fact because school taught theory and this is the practical work has to do in homework. At home Swaminathan had no knowledge of the practical, so he told like it. Question number 2. Why did father think Swami was an idiot? Father thought that Swami is an idiot because the problem was very simple, still he could not solve it. So father thought like this. How did the father make Swami give the answer? Do you think he helped Swami in arriving the correct mode, means correct answer? Maybe Swaminathan was not serious. Which method to use? When his father gave some hint, Swaminathan could answer it. 4 number. Why did Swami burst into tears in the end? Swami made a lots of effort to answer that question. He was very confused and he tolerated so much by his father. This made Swami burst into tears. Question number 5. इट वॉज प्लेन सेलिंग आफ्टर दैट। प्लेन सेलिंग का मतलब क्या कि वो तो बहुत ही ईजी था, ऐसा। When his father signed that he was going on right way or track, the remaining things was now easy for Swami. Means that the remaining things was plain sailing for Swami, ऐसा कह सकते हैं, बराबर। B. After what was it plain sailing? When Swami sold half of sum, so now that was it plain sailing. आधा सम उसने कर दिया, बाद में उसको इजी लगा, उसने फट से फिर आंसर दिया, बाद में उसके लिए प्लेन सेलिंग हो गया। सो दिस इज द एक्टिविटी नंबर 5। This was the activity number 5 ending, right? Now we are taking activity number 6. Now this is the activity number 6. Fill in the blanks. In the table given below, the following example may help you. Noun, ability, noun, decision, एडजेक्टिव एबल होता है, एडजेक्टिव डिसिसिव भी होता है, बराबर। तो मानो कि डिटरमाइंड है, तो डिटरमाइंड एडजेक्टिव से, तो उसका वर्ब क्या होगा? डिटरमाइंडेड का क्या होगा? डिटरमिन, डिटरमिन, DETERMINE। और नाउन क्या हो गया? डिटर्मिनेशन, राइट। सो ऑलरेडी I just giving you answer, you write down in your notebook and do it homework 5 times. So now we will take activity number 6. Welcome student again. Now activity number 6. Fill in the blanks in the table given below. The following table examples may help you. ये हम कर रहे थे। नाउन है डिटर्मिनेशन, वर्ब है डिटरमाइन और एडजेक्टिव है डिटरमिन। इस तरह का अभी रिमार्क्ड दिया है, तो उसका नाउन होगा रिमार्क, रिमार्क्ड, रिमार्केबल। फिर नाउन है सिंप्लीफिकेशन, सिंप्लिसिटी या तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन, उसका होता है वर्ब सिंप्लीफाई करना। और सिंपल, अभी यहाँ एक गलती हो गई है, थॉट, थॉट यानी विचार, ये नाउन है तो थॉट पहले लिखा है, बाद में थिंक आएगा। थिंक ये वर्ब है, थिंक करना, सोचना, ये वर्ब है। सो थॉट इधर ले लिया है और थिंक लिखा है इधर मैंने। एडजेक्टिव का थिंकेबल आएगा। फिर एडजेक्टिव है हेसिटेंट, तो नाउन आता है उसका हेसिटेशन और वर्ब है हेसिटेट। सो दिस इज द एक्टिविटी नंबर 6। अभी हम एक्टिविटी नंबर 7 लेते हैं। This is the number 3 and 4. Already I have done for you. You may write down in your notebook. You seem to be an idiot. Now read the sum carefully, said father. तो उसका क्या आएगा? His father rebuked him to his son that he seems to be an idiot and instructed him to read the sum carefully. Number 4. Father roared, I am not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single mango cost at 15 annas for 10. उसका आएगा फादर answered to his son that he was not going to leave him till he told him how much a single mango's cost of 15 annas for 10. In activity C1, there is number 5. Father admitted defeat by the declaring one mango cost 15 over 10 annas. Simplify it. Father admitted defeat by declaring that one mango cost 15 over 10 annas. Then he instructed his son to simplify it. This is the end of activity number 7. Now we are taking activity 8. Now activity number 8 says that Shankar's father has given him rupees 50. The other 3 friends decide to go to the marketplace and spend it. The shopkeeper gives them the following bill. Shankar has to report to his father how he spent the money. Write a dialogue between Shankar and his father, giving an announcement of the money spent. Here is a dialogue between Shankar and his father. Shankar says, Good morning, father. Father said, Good morning, son. Shankar, father, I have spent 50 rupees wisely. I bought 2 kg mangoes. Father says, What was the rate per kg and amount? Shankar says, It was 12 kg and 24 rupees spent. Father, what next? Shankar says, I brought 1 rubber ball, 3 ice Pepsi stick and 5 stick 5 and 3 toffees. Again one time reading करता हूँ. I bought 1 rubber ball, 3 ice Pepsi stick, 5. 3 ice Pepsi sticks and 3 of toffees. Father says, how much you spent and what balance rupees now? Shankar says, Father, I spent 49 rupees and 1 rupees I have. Father says, okay. This is the end of activity number 8. We are taking activity number 9. This is activity number 9. Visit a marketplace and find out the different varieties of mangoes available in their price. They are all priced the same. Are they all the price same? No. Answer will come no. Find out the reason for the difference in their price. So actually all the mangoes are not in the same price. Some are coming from very far away from here, some are local, so price must be different. Look here, we already write down the names of mangoes and their price. Rajapuri mangoes 30 rupees per kg, Ratnagiri Afus 180 rupees per kg, Kesar mangoes 150 rupees per kg, Langdo mangoes 20 rupees per kg, and Ajmeri Desi mangoes 15 rupees per kg. Now activity number 2, finally write a paragraph stating the fact you have discovered after visiting a market. मतलब ये है कि आपने मार्केट की मुलाकात ली, बाज़ार की मुलाकात ली, तो आपने क्या फैक्ट देखा उसको स्टेटमेंट बनाओ. Here are already I write down, by visiting a market I discovered many things. The market was full of people, it was very crowded, two-wheelers and vehicles was driven by people throughout market. इसमें टू व्हीलर्स एंड व्हीकल वॉज नहीं आएगा, वेयर आएगा. तो वॉज की जगह पे WERE वेयर लिखना है, राइट. वो आप सुधार लेना. बाय पीपल थ्रू मार्केट, वेंडर्स वेयर सेलिंग देयर थिंग्स ऑन फुटपाथ. वेंडर्स यानी फेरिया लोग, फेरिया बेचने वाले लोग अपना माल सामान फुटपाथ पर बेच रहे थे. Almost every shop were full with buyers. सब दुकानें ग्राहकों से भरी हुई थी. The shopkeeper were very busy in show their things. दुकानदार अपनी चीज़ें बताने में व्यस्त थे। 6. People were carrying their things, और लोग अपनी चीज़ लेकर जा रहे थे। फूड कॉर्नर वेयर अदर साइड ऑफ द रोड, फूड कॉर्नर यानी खाने पीना, स्नैक्स, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, वो रोड के वो साइड पे था। द फूड रेस्टोरेंट वेयर फुल विथ पीपल्स, खाने की रेस्टोरेंट थी वो लोगों से भरी हुई थी। 9 नंबर, फ्रूट वेंडर्स वेयर अदर साइड ऑफ द रोड, फ्रूट बेचने वाले रोड के दूसरी साइड पर थे। तो इस तरह से हम लिख सकते हैं। ये तो मैंने लिखा, यू कैन राइट डाउन योर सेल्फ वॉट यू हैव सीन, थिंक अबाउट इट एंड यू मे एबल टू राइट डाउन इट। ओके, यहाँ यूनिट नंबर 5 ख़त्म होता है। यूनिट नंबर 6 बाद में चलाएंगे। ये सब आप होमवर्क में 5 टाइम लिखना, अच्छी तरह से रीडिंग करना, उसको याद कर लेना, बराबर। ओके, बाय।